Join Mark Hendricks, Cindy Dawson, Jeff Wark, Lori Steffen, Joe Marsh, Joey Smith, Chris Lockwood, in Atlanta, at the Crown Plaza Airport, the 22nd through the 24th of October, for the Internet Success System Mastermind Conference. I was there in 2008, and it was great. I'm Ken English, the Blog Talk Radio guy, encouraging you to get to Atlanta, to be part of the Internet Success System of Mark Hendricks. You'll learn about audio, video, repurposing content from some very outstanding speakers. Check it out online at budurl.com, ISSATL09. On Twitter, hashtag capital ISS, the number 4, capital YOU. Join Mark Hendricks and his friends in Atlanta, the 22nd of October.